Alright, so I was just at the store, and while I was there, I saw these two, and they're both wheel cleaners, but I had an idea. I'm gonna see if this expensive wheel cleaner it was 20 bucks. Works better than this Pro X1 wheel cleaner. It was 7 bucks. So, I'll set this on here. Anyway, so I've never used either of those, which is why I had to buy them. Didn't have it though, so this wheel is going to be the expensive one, which Griots. Get those. No, is that wrong? And that one is going to be the Pro X1. I haven't really seen this a lot in many stores, so I don't know if it's good or it's something new. Not sure. Anyway, this and is there a different option? I'm trying to twist the knob on here. Oh. There we go. Oh, I forgot to get the lug nut hole brush. Well, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute or two, and I'll be right back. I have the dirty. It's been sitting for a minute or two. So another thing I want to say, this stuff smells, the Griots stuff, smells like a pineapple fruity scent, which I kind of like. I don't know. It's different. And these wheels, they're not crazy dirty. They're just, I haven't cleaned them in a bit. Jeez, this is cold. It's like 20, well not 20, it's probably like 30 degrees outside right now. Just felt like doing a quick review for one day. Probably do another one tomorrow too, or sometime next week. Get the brush. If there's any other, I saw a few different other wheel cleaners too. If you think I should try any different wheel cleaners, let me know. I bet there's probably better ones. Oops. Let's wash this off. I'm gonna dry this wheel and then I'll move on to the other. So here's the final look. I think it did a pretty good job. I definitely wouldn't buy it again because it's kind of expensive. The Diablo definitely works a little better. Alright, chemical guys. Alright. I guess I have it if I need it. Everything into this stuff. So this stuff, it was I think six or 7 bucks from a brand I've never used. Nope. All right. I'm not sure if any of the other stuff they sell is good. Let me know if you use any of it. Today was the first time I've ever heard of it. So what is it? It definitely does not smell good. It's stuff smells terrible. Yeah, it smells burnt. Yeah, alright, I'm gonna let this sit. Alright, so it's been a minute or two, and so start scrubbing. Yeah, this stuff doesn't smell great. Seems to be working though. I can't really tell right now. Just, one, my wheels weren't even dirty. And two, it's all this soap. Yeah, this stuff smells disgusting. I don't know if that means it's working or because it's cheap. It was on sale, so. I did order some, I can't remember the name of it, but it's supposed to be like professional grade car wash stuff. Should be here in a week or two. Looks something like that. It's supposed to be really good, so I'll do a video on that. I'm gonna dry it and get right back with the final results. So if I'm being honest, I really don't see a difference in either of them. They both did an okay job. I would probably go with the Griots again, just because the cheaper stuff, it smelled so bad. Kind of gave me a headache, so yeah, it looks like they performed about the same. I do need to get a brush for inside here, make it look a little better. Yeah, if you use these and you like either one of them, let me know. I don't know, that's it. So the end result, I think the Griots did do a little better than the Powex one, but this is still kind of expensive, and this is, just don't buy this. Do not buy this. If you're gonna get a wheel cleaner, probably get Diablo by Chemical Guys, or maybe Sticky Citrus. This was pretty good. I just think this is the favorite one I've used so far, and it's like $10. If there's another wheel cleaner, you know, I'll get it and I'll try it out.